Hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa Tesco. Naggasolina lang si David. Then, aking mata. Pagod. And, pumunta lang siya sa Tesco kasi naiihi siya. Hindi na ako pumunta dahil malapit na dito yung aming pag-i-stayhan ng one night. Nandito kami sa I don't know. Basta. Sobrang init, guys. Alam nyo, may dala akong pamaypay. Kasi ang init. Sobrang init ngayon dito. Parang sa Pilipinas lang. Ang mga tao dito makikita mo naka-shorts lang. So, yan. Yan ang ganap natin this week. Ay, nalaglag na. Nalaglag yung data niyan. I'm sorry. Huwag niyo ako lalagyan ng cellphone. Hindi siya dumidikit ng maayos. Galing itong timo. So, yan. So, video tayo doon pagdating namin or mamaya pag nasettle na kami doon sa aming pag-iistihan buong gabi. Tapos bukas uuwi din kami bukas siguro mga hapon dahil may pasok ako sa Monday. Gusto sana ni David two nights kami kaso hindi pwede dahil may pasok ako sa Monday. Okay, see you there. Bye for now.
Why, it's enormous.
Nandiyan si David. What? The Tesco?
Yeah.
I think this is the biggest
That's the
Tesco.
biggest one, isn't it? It's bigger than that one in Stockport.
Yeah.
And there's 2 floors as well.
Is it?
Yeah. Upstairs there's all...
Is it a food court?
No, but there's a Greggs in there.
Oh, inside.
And there's upstairs it's all the clothes and kitchenware and TVs and things like that.
Malaki ang Tesco nila dito. I'll see you doon sa pupuntahan namin. So ito yung malaking Tesco. Ang ganda ng may simbahan. So nilaki din ang car park.
So you shouldn't fly English flags because it might upset. To fly an English flag.
That's why it's Tesco Extra.
An English flag in England you should be able to.
Then, at the
Diyan
roundabout,
naggasolina si David. F, freedom. Ito this F for Facebook. Freedom Leisure Center.
at the
May
roundabout,
ilaw dito.
Roger.
looking good. And then, at the roundabout, take the second exit, looking good.
Wrexham was a lot busier than I expected Wrexham to be.
It's maybe Saturday.
Turn right. 8.1 miles. Keep left.
Okay. This is the house.
They got promoted to the championship.
The Wrexham.
Yeah.
It's a Wrexham football stadium.
The whole town has literally been lifted because of the success that football keeps having. Everybody's really excited and friendly around.
In a quarter of a mile. At the roundabout, take the second exit. Looking good. And then Take the first exit. Nothing too crazy.
All you fight for is space, and in general, the spaces are all wide and you
I never ever got out to that. Thank you.
Dito na tayo sa Isla Motorway.
No, but it's
Dual carriageway.
things like well, that building there looks like the chapel at Wigan. Oh, this is it.
So nandito na tayo sa ano pangalan ng pub? What's the name of the pub?
It's not a pub.
It's a chapel.
Chapel.
Chapel, guys.
Converted chapel. Converted into tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee. And they have rent rooms. So I'm going to
So nandito na tayo.
sort it out.
Hi guys. Ayan oh. Yung akit kami doon bukas mamaya or basta akit kami doon. Tingnan nyo guys, pag hindi pinulot yung tae ng aso, pag pinabayaan mayroong penalty, ang maximum ay 1,000 pounds. Saan na kaya yan? Bakit may mga ganyan? Private fishing. So yun, pinakamataas na viaduct. May mga boat doon sa taas. Pupunta kami doon. Punta tayo doon. Hello, madilim. It's dark. Kung nakikita nyo yung tulay sa likod, pupunta kami doon. Sobrang mainit. There's a lot of people up there. Walking. So, pupunta tayo doon. Ayan, maliwanag. Ayan yung tulay doon sa likod. Pinakamataas na tulay. So, may mga boat doon, may tubig yan sa taas. So guys, nandito na tayo sa taas. Yung tulay na nakikita kanina. Yun yun. Pero hindi ako makakapag-vlog kasi baka malaglag kung naghahawak kay Pepper at Pina. So, yan. Doon na lang kayo manood sa video ni David. Okay, bye for now. Hi uli. Nandito kami naglalakad na sa may kanal. Tapos namin. Oh yes. Nice. Bungalow. Is a house?
Yeah.
And
I think so.
pagkatapos namin si David tea at saka scones at saka yung hindi na ako nag video doon kasi may video na si David. So maglalakad kami, ikot lang kami kasi maaraw maliwanag pa. Ang coffee room or tea room ay nag close ng 4 o'clock. So ayan. May dalawang boat doon sa likod. So, yan. See you sa van. Bye for now. So, yan guys. Kung nakikita nyo, ang English ay nasa kaliwa. Tapos, yan, Welsh. Na-translate sa Welsh. Yan. Hi! Nandito na naman kami sa ewan ko, nandito kami. Basta nandito kami sa may kanal. May upuan dyan. Dinonate ng namatay, tapos nag-donate ng upuan kasi ang ganda dito nilalakaran, ang ganda ng view. How old? Tingnan nyo yung mga view parang sa Baguio City. It's like Baguio City there. The house is in the mountains. Ang ganda. Si Peanut lumangoy. Nainitan lumangoy siya sa kanal. Sige, lakad. Lakad pa mo. Ito ang ginagawa namin, lakad. Habang, habang maganda ang araw. So, yan. Ano ko kung saan kami. Where are we going? Again? Don't know. We just keep walking. We just keep walking. Yan. Kasi ang taas pa ng, it's nearly 5 o'clock but the sun is still high. Oh, dito na kami sa kalsada. Ayan. Huanggolan. How do you pronounce that? Huanggolan.
Llangollen.
Huanggolan. Ayan. Double L-A-N-G-O-L-L-E-N. Huanggolan. So, doon tayo naglakad din ng malayo. Doon. Mas ang ganda ng view dito. Dito kami sa taas. Very, peaceful and quiet. Are we going through this here? Are we going through the other side of the canal?
Well, we walk on here.
Huh? It's a... Hey, Peanut. Okay. We're going this way.
So it's the old railway line.
We're going to the old railway line. Oh. So doon po tayo nang galing. Doon. Ayun. Tapos doon na ang ganda na. Sige. Picture ako sa first sabihin. Ayan. Wala pa silang picture. So yan, babalik na kami doon sa pinarkingan namin. And then, I don't know. I feel full. I don't know if I can have some snacks for tonight. But are you having something to eat again? Pupunta kami sa pub. Okay. Right. See you in the pub and in the camper van. Bye for now. Hi, nandito na kami. Nakarating na kami sa may pub. Pangalan ay is at Telford Inn. Telford Inn. So dito kami sa labas dahil maaraw. Ito yung aming drinks. Ayan. Beer kay David, sa akin ay apple cider. May alcohol ng konti. Ang ganda dito. Mga boats. Ganda ng boat. Tapos ang mataas pa. Alas 5 na ng hapon. Pero ang araw mainit pa. Mataas pa. I think it will get dark today at 10 o'clock.
About that, yeah.
Yeah, so mahaba pa ang araw ngayon. Dito muna kami sa labas.
You're obviously there's anything else I'm saying.
No, I'm not having.
You're not hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay.
Are you having?
I'm not sure. There's nothing screaming at me to say, choose me.
Sorry guys, na yung menu na binabasa ni David muntik nang mapunta doon sa tubig. Na sa hangin na dala. So yan. I'll see you mamaya doon sa sa camper van. Si Peanut nilalamig na dahil lumangoy siya. Lumangoy siya sa lumangoy siya sa kanal. Meron pala yung pumunta kami kanina sa aqueduct. What's the name? Aqueduct?
When I get back to the van.
I'm just having salad. I'm not eating anything.
Might just have a couple of those hot dog sausages and some salad.
Yan, doon kayo manood kay David kasi kanina maraming tao nung pumunta kami, naglakad, tumawid kami. Hindi ako nag-video kasi natatakot ako taas na makahalawhaw. So yan.
I'm just looking at this bungalow here.
guys, umalis na kami doon sa car park. And then, pupunta kami dito sa isang viaduct ulit. Ayan, nandyan. Maraming pumupunta. So, nandyan. Park lang kami sa malapit dito. Oh. So, ayan, pupunta kami doon. Naakyat kami doon sa tulay na yan. Ayan, punta kami sa loob ng tunnel. Dilim kaya sa loob. Pero punta kami doon sa taas na yan. Ayan, so naglakad kami sa tunnel na yon. Anong sabi ng 100 something kilometers. Ito kami, ayan. Tapos si David pupunta lang doon. Ikipag-checka yan siya. So yan, and then babalik kami. Ewan ko kung babalik kami sa tunnel, through tunnel, or doon kami sa taas. Baka sa tunnel, or sa taas yata kami. Okay. So nandito na kami. Yan yung information. Hi guys.
Disadvantage of staying in your place.
So,
Too many rules and regulations.
dito kami babalik sa taas. Hindi, doon yung tunnel na pinanggalingan namin. Dito kami maglalakad sa taas. So, pupunta kami doon. And then, ito yung mga direction. Yan, dahil bumalik na kami dito, si Pepper ayaw niyang maglakad. Ayan si Pepper sa likod ni David, kita niyo. Ay! Kasi pumasok kami kanina doon sa tunnel. Ngayon pupunta na kami doon. So, maglalakad kami doon sa may viaduct na talaga. Yeah. Ayan, dyan kami dumaan kanina. May boat na papunta dito. Yata. Tapos ngayon dito naman kami maglalakad. Dito sa na to, sa may railway. Yan yung railway. Ito yung canal. It's the Canal and River Trust. Discover the Church, Aqueduct. Yan. So nandito papalabas na yung Ayun na, doon kami sa taas kanina. So, ayan na yung boat. Palabas na. Ayan. So, yan ang pangalan ng tunnel. Shark Tunnel. Come on, Peanut. Ayan, so ayan, may boat doon sa likod. Dito tayo sa kabilang bahagi.
Just imagine this conversation when the lads have finished building this aqueduct.
Yeah.
Just finished. And they're having a
Oh, there's a bike. Sorry.
celebratory drink after they'd finished. Thank you.
Yeah,
And
you're
the boss
welcome.
says, right lads, well done. Thank you for building that one. Now, I want you to build another one, bigger, to carry trains on. What? Yeah, don't worry, it'll only take you about 2 years.
So yan, doon tayo pupunta. Doon, ang ganda oh. Yun yung train track. Dito yung the boat is not going this way. So yan, ang ganda. Yun ang river doon. Where's the big the highest one? Where is it? Because we can see it, this one from there. So, kahapon nandun kami sa yung mas mataas, yung pinakamataas. na aqueduct. Ganda. They're coming this way, David. England. So it's a borderline ng England at saka Wales. So nandito kami sa England na. Hello ulit guys, nandito kami sa Llangollen. I don't know how to pronounce it. Si David nakalimutan niya yung camera niya, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, kunin mo ano siya dito, video ng 360, yung 360 yung pwede nyong iikot yung camera mo or cellphone. Ang ganda ng garden. Ganda ng garden. Ayun. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon kami nag-park sa Alde. 3 hours free parking. Tapos, bumili kami ng ice cream. Okay, kasi mas mura pag doon sa Alde. Tapos, pinag-snack lang namin si Pepper at si Peanut. Plant for sale. Tapos pupunta kami doon. Pupunta kami doon. So guys, nandito na kami sa Wangakwan. And nandito na si David. Yan. Dala-dala lang yung bag. Para just in case na hindi si Pepper ay hindi na maglakad. My God. Oh, dami naliligo. Ayan. They're having a picture. So yan, doon tayo nang galing. Si David nandoon na, ang layo na. Come on, let's go and run! Which way are we going back? So guys, tapos na tayo doon. Pabalik na tayo doon sa Aldi Car Park. Are we still okay with the time?
Yes,
Ayan. Uuwi na kami ay. Are you sure? Charity shop. Charity shop. Ayan. I-end ko na to. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, uwi na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa Wales. Ngayon by Sunday, uwi na tayo sa bahay. Thank you so much for traveling with us. And we'll see you next vlog. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the share and notification bell.
Was to enjoy those first few years a little bit more and be even more confident and have trust in myself, because no one knows you. Everyone is using every match, and every coach is going to watch when Hannah steps on the court against Krejcikova, for example, how to play these new players. So this is actually one of the best moments on the tour to be. Everything is new to you. Every tournament is super fresh, and I think Hannah has a great chance because Krejcikova hasn't really played much tennis. Yes, she has won this tournament before, but she's been injured many times in the last couple of months. Hasn't really played enough matches to be confident coming into Wimbledon this year.
Well, we're going to go from
That's trying
very
shot.
inexperienced players to perhaps one of the most experienced in the men's tour. Russ, Yannick Sinner, the clear favourite, obviously, to continue the dominance with the absence of Carlos Alcaraz. But obviously, he's not played competitively since that shock exit at the French Open. So, it's